gap is pretty big. What I'm hoping is it never triggers under that 1780, and I can actually, it's going to trigger everything. 1783, 1782, 1780. And I guess we got to take it. It triggers. Okay, so that was a good move on Ford to get out right there. That wasn't bad. I think it looks like it's going to go up now. Maybe up to 1145, and then back down. We can look for a short. Oh, STLA triggered. Okay. All right, STLA. Looking good so far. It's got one move. Okay.
STM looks good.
Yeah. STM is looking good. It's going up. Another entry right there. That looks nice. I think maybe 36 could be a target. That'd be pretty good. And then we'll see if it keeps going higher. Ford triggered a level. Yeah, Ford triggered a level 1 if anyone wanted to take that long. But I'm leaning towards waiting for it to get up to VWAP and seeing if we get a level 1 to the downside. I think that could be pretty cool.
The only trade I have is shorting Apple. That's it.
Oh, nice. I think Tesla could be a level 1 short. Earlier I mentioned right there, but it's inside day now, so you know what's going to probably go on is a lot of chop. Also, let's see what the market's inside its pre-market range.
Taking a long on KVUE. You can take a UNH long also.
All right. I did something kind of fun. I took a level 1 short on Now, NOW, with that new high failure. Just kind of figured maybe let's just see what happens. See if it's a new high failure and it goes down. If not, oh well. I'll go back in long above this red candle. I think that'd be nice. Tesla's dropping pretty good. So that was actually a good call on the level 1 earlier short, but
TME.
Yeah, breaking the VWAP now.
TME could be a good short.
Okay, which one?
TME could be a good short.
TME, okay. TME. TME. Yeah, that looks nice. It's right at the low of yesterday's low. Come on now, let's see how far you can go. Get down to 810.
KVUE is working very, yeah?
Yeah. Look at that Tesla. Damn. That level 1 right there. You had to sit through only 2 bars of chop, but after that, you're golden.
Inside there.
Yeah, inside day, yeah. Nice. STM looks good. Now is looking good. Hopefully we can get through 810. All right. Ford's looking better now for a short. You know what I mean. It's coming up a little bit higher. Maybe up into this VWAP would be pretty good.
LW.
Got a 3-bar play happening on the STLA that I'm in. So I might add on this one. Yeah, NOW looks good for more downside. I'm in that as a level 1. But we're right at the VWAP here. Let's see if we crack the VWAP. If we crack the VWAP, then I think we're going to see back down to 800. Lower prices. But if we get a level 1 at the VWAP on the 5-minute, could be a good long. I like this Ford here. Just want to see a level 1 here, you know? A 5-minute before I jump in. I triggered on the 2-minute. I guess it's okay, you know? STLA. 3-bar play right there. That's nice. Pretty good. I think stop loss could be above there. All right. There we go.
Uber, go back. We missed it.
Yeah. Well, I did a level 1 on the 2-minute on Ford. We'll see if that was a mistake, but now I triggered on the 5, so I think I'm in the clear. I think we're going down a little bit lower on Ford here. I think now actually could bounce. So let's see how I'm doing. All right, I'm up 6 R's.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Oh gosh. All right. I'm gonna,
VKTX pullback.
VKTX. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a nice possibly level 1 at the VWAP here.
Mm-hmm.
Be pretty good. That Lululemon is going back up. Just watching this STLA here as it continues going down. You took that with me, Lynn, right? STLA?
No, not yet. Because I was monitor my Apple. I just got out Apple, so I can go to another trade.
Nice.
STLA, right?
Well, the SPY is dropping. Yeah, the SPY is going down, so something's.
Wow.
Yeah, so something's
big
going.
time.
Yeah. And yeah, SPY is dropping.
Wow.
That's
Oh
weird.
wow, Meta is down. Microsoft is down.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems like things are having a hard time staying up here. I don't know. Maybe there's a. Oh, did anyone check the Market Watch tab today to see if there's any news?
No,
Ah, okay. So there is some news today at 8 o'clock
that's your job, man.
and at 7 o'clock. Sorry, 7 o'clock. EIA natural gas report. I don't know what that really affects the market much. Then there's a 3-month bill announcement, 6-month bill announcement. Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Index. That's at 8 o'clock. So yeah, there's the Fed. Yeah, okay. So there's gonna be quite a lot of little things here and there. So probably a good idea, play it safe.
Yeah, gas dropped today. Oh, VKTX.
BKTX. Yeah, there you go. It's interesting. Ford looks pretty good. I think if it breaks underneath the low of day, that could be a nice little level 2 underneath 1130. Tesla triggered a level 1 right at the VWAP here. It's an inside day, so I'm just going to stay away from it right now. I think it's kind of it looks pretty nasty and choppy now, the price action. The breakout failure and this and that. So, I wonder if now is going to be a level 1 over $820, or if it's actually going to just continue to go down underneath the VWAP here.
Cisco, guys.
Wow. Yeah.
Let's see here.
Now could be a good long.
Could maybe do a knife catch on Microsoft if you wanted to try to catch the bottom of this, heavy sell-off. Let's see.
Did anyone go to Go VKTX?
I didn't get a chance to do it. No, I like that trade though. It looks good.
Oh yeah, VKTX is good.
Yeah.
Wow, Cisco.
Where are all the stops located at before?
Check
The
out.
stops are located over the high of this pivot. That's probably very smart.
Check out KVUE.
Oh my gosh! Look at Microsoft still.
Still going down. Yeah, same with Meta. Oh man. Yeah.
Yeah. Looking good. looks pretty good for continuation. Yeah, it looks great. It's looking really nice. I love the consolidation that's having here. And the attempts to go higher. It's really hard to get filled on it to the downside because it's on a short sell restriction. There we go. The STLA is looking still good, just very slow.
BTI, remember I mentioned it earlier?
Yeah.
It broke the high. BTI.
BTI.
Very nice, very nice.
Oh yeah, BTI looks nice. This an entry.
Wow, Cisco. Couldn't stop Cisco.
I know.
Oh, there's a level one on Lululemon, LULU. A 5 minute, just wait for that. That could be a good setup to the short side. Still in this NOW now here. And it's breaking the VWAP, so that's good. See if we can go a little lower to 800. Come on, buddy. I guess not, probably. Oh, level one on Lulu. All right.
God, how can you manage so many trades?
I'm a guru.
That's insane.
Yeah, I'm a guru, man. And I just set up my, charts to be able to quickly press the buttons. Alright.
CVS just broke.
Lulu's looking good.
Oh my God, CVS, perfect.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Ford. Come on, give us another leg down here.
MDLZ.
Ford looks great, guys. Keep an eye on it.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna possibly get underneath the low of day here.
I hate trading big gap like this.
On like Ford?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I guess you just just go with the price action, right?
Right.
Sometimes it'll surprise you. I mean, we've seen those sometimes level ones that are like not so great end up becoming the best level ones, It's just really just a game of probabilities, really.
Yeah.
I like this. I like the idea of taking now NOW long over this doji bar here at the VWAP. But so I'm out of my short on it. I'm going to try to go long on it if it gets above that little thing.
Yeah, now could be a bit long.
Yeah. But it has to trigger over that doji candle, you know? If it doesn't trigger over the...
This go can be short. Counter trend though.
Sorry, which one?
Cisco.
Just Cisco. Okay,
yeah,
Cisco.
Could be a pullback.
And I'm watching MDLC.
Oh yeah, that's level 1 right there. Great, yeah, great find.
I'm gonna try that.
Oh dang, I missed it. So I did miss that one, unfortunately.
Okay, you guys want to watch this one, counter trend, MDLC, right here, MDLC.
Okay. MDLC. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
CVS as well.
All forward at the lows. Oh, level 1 just triggered on Microsoft. It's a little bit of it's a pretty wide stop if you're going to take that long.
Wow, MDLC. Here, doji bar.
I'm all out of STLA here. Just not a win, not a loss. Just came back up to my entry round. So nothing on that one. I think that puts me up for the day 5.7 R.
I hate
here comes
you.
down.
I hate you, Jason.
Which one?
I hate you.
What? Why?
You're so insane.
Oh, now just triggered. I just got into now. NOW.
You are like the machine.
Guys, don't miss out now.
Yeah.
Now, okay.
I'm in it.
It just triggered a level 1. It's actually a pretty good setup. Like, we're talking the daily chart looks great. Yeah, everything looks really good. I think target is going to be the high of day. But
you guys VKTX, you guys can get in the secondary entry.
Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, that's good. I like the double bottom retest there.
Mm-hmm.
Looks great.
Okay, MDLZ.
MDLZ, yeah, just wait for a 5 minute. I think you're going to be a little bit
wait
better.
for this candle finish.
Yeah. If you guys wanted to, you could take IBM over 193.
IBM.
Yeah, IBM. Hasn't triggered yet, but you just, put an order in, I guess. Now is going pretty good. This is working out pretty good.
Yeah.
I think I'm back up to 6 Rs now on the day. Let's see if we get
insanely good.
Oh, there goes MDLZ that you mentioned.
Mm-hmm.
So what you can do, Lynn, is if you get into this 5 minute and it starts being a little funky, just look at the 2 minute, and then if the 2 minute starts, if you get like a level 1 on the 2 minute to the upside, after like this next bar, just get out.
Okay.
And then you can always get back in short, you know, but at least this way you don't like have to wait for your full stop loss to get. So this is looking great. So the 2 minute now, you can trail over this red 2 minute bar.
Okay.
On the 2 minute, just to keep yourself safe, you know. That's what I do constantly for counter trend trades, because I notice you'll see if the 2 minute goes green, it's like oh crap, you know. Something's weird about the play. But if the 2 minute stays really nice, then you gotta.
Did anyone go to VKTX?
Yeah, I'm in that.
Oh, good.
I couldn't quite get that one. I missed VKTX and I missed CSCO, so I couldn't get them all. I really wanted to get those two though. Those were really nice calls. Yeah, VKTX is nice. Cisco, the CSCO level 1 short, that was great. And if you notice, if you look at the 2 minute on Cisco, not once did it trigger a 2 minute new high.
Oh, okay.
So that's the way you know.
Oh, yeah. Also, you still stay in. Okay, got it.
Yeah. You know, it's. Oh, okay. Ford's about to break the low. I might just get out here on the short, but if it breaks the low and it keeps going, maybe I'm gonna trail bar by bar. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Dwayne, you better hold VKTX.
Yeah, I'm holding. See what happens.
It's just broke.
Looks good. Let's see where it's got. How much room it's got. VKTX. Let's see what the daily says.
65 around there.
Oh yeah, looks great. Look at this MBLZ. Nice. And now we got another bar to the downside.
Yeah.
So So now just keep the 2 minute on your, just keep trailing. But now what's cool is now you can just put your stop at break even, and you don't even have to worry about it.
Hey, VKTX just broke there.
There you go.
Yeah,
my goodness.
That's a level 2. You could add there on the level 2.
Oh.
But that's the type of level 2s that I don't like, because you've got your stop loss theoretically has to be all the way down at the VWAP where the pivot started, you know? There's no like consolidation bars in between.
And my BTI broke above 35.
Nice.
See that, yeah.
Now waiting for CBS.
Man,
MPLZ.
Cisco works so good. Cisco is all the way at the 8 now.
Yeah, I need to take a pause from soon.
MTLZ is looking good.
66, come on, 66.
Yeah.
Oh, he did.
Yeah, unfortunately, I only go in half a risk on Cisco because it's counter trend.
Yeah. How you doing? How's everyone doing?
Unfortunately,
good.
I'm down 2.5 hours at the moment. So
Okay.
Yeah, me, I think almost 3 hours because the VKTX.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I like this. This is a great, and that's a good example of how if you got in that first level 1 on VKTX, that trigger, and you put your stop loss underneath the previous bar, you would have gotten stopped out.
No,
you would have had to re-enter.
No, I put it under 20 MA.
Way good.
Low.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to point out. Is like if you put your stop loss just under that previous bar, you would get stopped out.
No. Usually they will. Yeah, take you out.
Exactly. Yeah. So I always think it's better to give yourself a little bit wider of a stop loss because you got the 20, like you said, the 20 is right there, so you might as well.
The reason I put it all the way low because I looked at the 20 MA at the daily chart. It's very good daily chart.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Give yourself a lot more wiggle room here. Now it's kind of looking like maybe I'll get out underneath this bar. You see that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Could be a secondary entry after this one now, which is great.
Yeah, at least.
So
wait, RIG, maybe. RIG can be short here. Maybe. Oh, is it shortable?
Probably, but it's an inside day, so I don't want to trade that.
Okay.
Ford's still going, guys. It's still going. I think we got a little bit more room, more gas in the tank. I'm thinking $10. It's gonna be the target. So that's $1.29 away. It just broke. It broke all this pivot on the daily chart.
Yeah.
That I thought it was gonna hold. It broke it all. And the next area of support is around, I guess around 1088, 1083 or something. So let's see if it gets there.
You guys might want to short ITX. Oh no, it's no. Forget it. Don't short it.
Oh, okay. Wow, take a look at MOH. How did I miss that? I had that on my my scan. And I had it on a thumbnail, and look at that beautiful. Yeah, there's
oh my god.
Nice setups too. Level 2s to the upside, and add level 1, and it's just going bar by bar. So nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh, NDLZ, you're at target here. That's nice.
Cisco, you guys should get out here, Cisco.
Yeah, Cisco just triggered a long on the 2-minute.
Yeah.
And now it's gonna trigger maybe an ad on the,
Yeah, now it could be an ad.
MOH. I can't believe.
Wow.
Oh, MOH. Look at that daily chart. I think it's gonna try to go crazy and squeeze all the way to the 200 moving average today. Some like crazy move, like that. Okay, Ford's going. Got a wide range bar, so what I'm going to do on Ford, just put my stop right above this current bar's high. So if this bar turns green, I'll be out. And yeah, I'll see what happens. Oh.
Okay, 2 more minutes. So we'll get our VKTX.
Yeah, looking good. 2-minute finish just now. That's nice. And then let's see if it keeps going a little higher. I watched this really cool video yesterday. This one trading educator. He was talking about he's like, traders are taught to, buy tops and bottoms because it's the easiest identifiable pattern.
Yeah.
And he said there's nothing wrong with that, but he said they put their stop losses where they put their stop losses are at very obvious places.
I see.
And he said what he likes to do is, instead of buying the tops and bottoms and buy high and sell higher, he says he likes to place his entries where he thinks the traders would get stopped out. So like if he sees a pivot, like for instance VKTX, he would have placed the stop loss underneath that little pivot, get in there. And he said, because oftentimes the whole purpose of the traders getting stopped out is, he said, big institutions can't just buy. They're not just allowed to just buy the stock at any price. They have to create liquidity so they can get the shares. If they try to just buy the shares that they need, they'll push the stock up too fast and too violently, which is kind of what happens sometimes when something goes climactic.
Yeah.
Just too much going on at once, so then they back off, and then you get that pullback. But he said to make liquidity, what they'll do is they'll actually have an algorithm that pushes the stock in the opposite direction. So let's say the stock looks long, they'll short.
Cisco level 1 guys.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's nice. They'll push the stock down by shorting it. And he said all they need to do is push it down just by a little bit because they know that where everyone's stops are. And he said all it takes, you don't think about this, but all it takes is one transaction underneath that level, one person to chicken out, basically one long bias trader to exit, and it creates a liquidity where it also triggers everybody else's stops. So it's fascinating. Like so he says a good place is put your stop losses right at where everyone would get stopped out. Like for instance, take a look at this Microsoft. Let's say you try to go long on it. You know your stop loss is going to be underneath the low of day there, right? And then it comes down, sweeps you out, and then now it's off to the races to the upside. So it's crazy.
I mean Cisco.
Yeah, me too.
Nice. Yeah, that's a good level one.
And also MPLZ.
Nice, yeah. MPLZ looks good.
Very clean MPLZ.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm all out of NOW, but I'm willing to go in long if it gets over that little new secondary entry there.
Wait, why are you in MDLZ?
I'm not in yet.
Oh, watching it. Okay.
Oh, I thought you were shorting MDLZ.
No, I didn't short it, but it was a good short earlier.
Oh my god, I thought you did it. Because look at the 2 minute. It's not even a single 2 minute new high now. That's like the best. That was the best short. Because look at how many green bars, 2 in a row.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Climactic. And then, yeah, that's nice. And now we're at the VWAP. And it might even crack the VWAP. Wow. Mm-hmm. BKTS looking a little weak here. Breaking a level 1 maybe on the 5 minute. If you guys get into Cisco, put your stop loss underneath the VWAP rather than just that one candle. Probably a little too tight. Let's check on something here.
Out of VRTX. VKTX. Yeah.
Got
good job, guys. Good job. Good management. Yeah. You can always get back in too. At a lower level, pull back.
Yeah.
And maybe this is the top. You never know too. That's why it's just a good idea. Manage it. Four is my only trade now. So I'm just managing this 5 minute bar by bar.
You guys like CVS?
CVS. Let me take a look. CVS. Yeah, it's not bad. You're saying like to go long on like and the only thing I think that kind of scares me a little bit is that 2 bars ago, that Hikaki bar.
Yeah.
That like made a new high and then it came down. So maybe in that case, maybe I wouldn't take the first level one. I'd wait for some sort of
Second daily. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, now MDLZ.
Yeah, MDLZ looks like a nice level 1 here.
Mm-hmm.
That's the same reason why I didn't take the level 1 on IBM to the long side.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't like the prior price action to the, where did it come from? It came from a nasty thing. Oh, Cisco looks better now.
Yeah, Cisco looking better after that.
Yeah.
VKTX may be another long.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, totally. See if that moving average can catch up. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
IBM kind of looks like a short now. Look at that. Pattern looks lower. Yeah, pattern does say lower. Interesting. IBM. Okay. Yeah, there we go. IBM's working. I did a level 2 on IBM. Let's see if it'll break the VWAP. If it goes right back up to my entry, I'll just get out and break even. But I like that curving over and rolling over of the stock. I don't like what's going on in Ford now. Ford being, well, maybe it'll drop. Maybe it'll drop a little bit more. Oh, good out on VKTX, see guys?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
It looked like it was maybe going to go higher, but now it's giving you a nice move back. IBM, let's see if IBM cracks the VWAP here. Or
GIS might be short.
GIS?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so now CBS gave me that red bar. So now I think I would take it over that 59 something. But I don't think it's going to go higher now. Look at that. That's a little, definitely looking like a downtrend now as far as price action. The one that I like the best that's holding up pretty good is NOW.
NOW.
So far, it's going sideways. And so that's good. Hopefully it can stay up in this range and not break down. Ooh, Ford is starting to get going. All right. And the IBM short is working just a little bit lower on IBM. Oh my gosh, look at that market. Like it just went, it's going right back up. Oh, it's probably the news thing. Okay, I gotta look I forgot about that. Yeah. Market watch is 8 o'clock. There's a news thing. Okay, so probably a good idea to get out of all my trades soon. I got out of Cisco. I was gonna say.
Yeah, me too.
TA, when you added?
Yeah.
You ended up adding on a green bar, but not over a red bar.
Yeah.
So I think your ad was a little too aggressive.
Yeah, I think I did. Yeah.
Your MOH just looks good.
Oh, guys, look at IBM from that level 2. I did that.
Okay.
Now it's underneath the VWAP.
GIS might be short. GIS.
GIS, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Also, Microsoft, you could do a scalp level 1 here. Probably going to get back down to the 8 moving average and then go sideways, you know. But it looks like a kind of a scalpy, fun little level 1 if it does trigger. Oh, well, it looks like now is giving up everything, giving it up. So I was hoping it would stay up in this range, but I think it's.
So, got it. Yeah. GIS, guys.
Nice.
Go to the 20 MA, hopefully.
You shorting it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Because look at the 5 minutes, the 3 topping tails.
Yeah, and it's below the VWAP now, so that's good. I like that. I think you can get back down to the 20. That's maybe 60, 66.50, 66.30, you know, around there maybe. Maybe even lower. Maybe back down to the 23 moving average, which is at, I think, what's it? Oh, it's 66.25 right there.
Oh, good. It broke the previous low.
That's good. That's a nice level 2 break.
No one can get in?
No, I'm in Ford, and that's the only trade that I'm in now. So I'm just kind of.
I like it because the 15 minutes last green candle. See how big.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I like it. I think it's not bad. It had a, went up. There was a level 1 short earlier on it. And it had a chance to go higher a couple times. I don't know, it's, the best would be if it was underneath everything, the 8, 20, and the VWAP rather than just the VWAP, but at least you can, you can get in and manage your trade. There's nothing wrong with that. Come on, Ford, keep going. Let's get this party climactic here. Come on, baby.
Gosh, Cisco.
Yeah, it's in this range here, in this $48 to whatever it is, the lower area.
Are you going to get CVS?
CVS? To the upside? No, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like the I don't like the way it pulled back.
Yeah, look at GIS.
Nice. There we go. Nice.
I'm in 66.74.
Great.
And then my stop would be the top of the 3 topping tails.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, that's a good spot. Definitely, that's a spot that I would think to go long for sure. So.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ford might be done soon. We'll see. It's still going down, but starting to get a little bit.
CNC, you guys watch CNC?
CNC.
DNC.
Yeah.
DNC, okay. DNC.
No, C, cat.
Oh, CNC.
Yeah.
And I don't know what to make of it. Could be a level 1 off the moving averages here. We go higher. But it hasn't triggered, so I guess maybe it's going to fall and keep going.
Thing is, I dropped below the 8 moving average, so.
Yeah.
You see the pattern on GIS, Jason?
Yeah.
Sam never taught us this kind of pattern. We just do it by.
Yeah, Sammy would never trade it, you know.
Yeah. He said, oh, because the uptrend.
Yeah, exactly. He's too, you know, narrow-minded, I guess. I think it's good to be open to seeing things in many different ways, because if you're just stuck on like, oh, you know, no, it can only be a long.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you miss out on these amazing, you know, shorts that look like green days. And you're like, what the heck? Well, you know, that was amazing. It turned into a massive, you know,
see,
win.
I'm 2 hours on GIS.
Oh, nice.
Wow, nice.
I'm all out of Ford, so I think I could have been the bottom. So I'm not in anything now. I think I'm gonna call it a day.
All right, guys. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that bounce on Google.
Which one?
Google.
Oh, let me take a
Google
look.
short?
No, look at that bounce.
Oh, okay.
Google. Oh, nice. Yeah, big V bottom. Big V bottoms coming in on the market because.
Wow.
I know.
Oh, I have to watch my GIS. I don't like the top, bottom and tail.
Yeah. Yeah, you just get out above this. If this red bar turns green, you can just get out right above the top of it. Sometimes I'll do that, I think, you know, because I figured, okay, well, looks good. Definitely hitting towards the 20 now.
Wow, Google's good bounce.
Yeah. Well, you know, I bet you it bounced at 10 o'clock reversal time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sold off all the way to 10:10 and put in the doji bar right at 10:10, and then that was the level 1. If I had seen that Google, I would have definitely entered the Google for a long right there. That's how many bars down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, that meets my criteria as a climactic. It just has
Same
to be
as
5.
Apple.
What's wrong? Same as Apple?
Yeah.
Oh,
Same
nice.
pattern.
Yeah, it makes sense. So the
Yeah.
whole market's doing that thing, I guess.
Okay, I'm out of. I don't like the green top, bottoming tail.
Oh yeah.
Just
Yeah,
make now.
Yeah, as soon as it went green, just get out. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Darn it.
It's okay, you know.
Get out for 2 hours.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
You go down in 2 minutes?
No, 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
I know, I didn't wait for finish.
Yeah.
I should wait 1 more minute.
Yeah, I guess so.
MDLG would be a good short.
I know, there's some, like,
Yeah.
my KVUE has a nice move and then I just kind of held on and go back to break even. Gosh, that sucks.
I think Ford's gonna go lower again. Jeez. Okay.
Oh, your MOH, Jason.
Yeah. MO, which one?
MOH.
Oh, MOH. Okay.
Your stock MOH.
Yeah. Yeah. MOH. Okay.
Oh, level 1.
Oh, really? It's doing it? Oh, yeah, you're right. That's not bad.
I'm late.
It's tough. I know. MOH. The thing I don't love about MOH is the bars are all small.
Yeah, it's grinding stuff.
Yeah, exactly like what TA says. The bar, like the grind. So you know that it's just some algorithm that's just pushing it up all day long. And well, I think Ford might be done. It just triggered over the top of this doji bar for right now. I think it could bounce a little bit here. Oh my gosh, GIS still going.
Yeah, I know.
I know. Why so soon?
You should take partial and then just like go ball by ball.
Yeah, you're up too hard. You just take a partial and then just put your rest at like your entry or something.
Yeah.
And then just see how far. And then as it moves another bar, just then lower your stop loss. Oh, there goes Ford. If anybody took that level 1, dang, look at that squeeze. I'm not doing it though. I'm just watching it. But I got out right at the bottom, which is great. So I captured from my short entry was at 10 o'clock. I had to sit through 2 bars of sideways move. And then I added to it on the low of day. And then got that 3 red bars down. And then quickly got out over that last red bar. So that was... I think
CBRE just broke level 3 4. I cannot talk. 3 bars player.
Oh, nice. Well, I'm gonna close this down. You guys be safe.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be done too.
Yeah. Talk to you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. How did everyone do?
I'm doing great. I'm good.
I'm like all my trade just going down, so I'm just gonna call it a day.
Oh crap!
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you want to go over your trades later, give me a call. We can, analyze everything.
Yeah. I think like it's not going in like all those good trade, like those good setups. I mean,
I think now was a good setup. You did that with me, right? NOW, and then you just
it wouldn't trigger yet for me. It would be level 1.
Yeah, I did the level 1, and then it popped up, and then when I got that bar that took out the low at 10:30, I got out of the whole thing. Now I think it's setting up again.
Yeah, it looks like it's setting up again for another move.
Yeah, that would be the secondary entry right there.
Yeah.
But I'm done. I'm gonna call it a day. I think we got this report happening in like 5 minutes.
GIS try to break 20 MA.
Yeah, look at that. It's doing it now almost. It's at the 20 right now.
Yeah.
the tricky part right now about trading, right at this moment, is in 5 minutes time, you have a Fed manufacturing index or whatever it is, those Fed things that they do.
Mm-hmm.
And then that just causes everything to go crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And every chart to be ruined, you know? So I just wanted to get out of everything before that happened.
Okay.
I was almost going to take this Microsoft short, level 1. But I said, you know what? I don't have enough time to sit through it. If this manufacturing thing goes crazy, and you know,
like
so.
a miss CBRE.
Oh yeah.
Well, we see.
There goes Ford jumping up. Oh man, Ford's probably gonna take out 11:45 to stop out all the people that have their stop losses at 11:45.
That's a nice move now, yeah.
You know how they do that, right? They'll bring it over the new high, right? 11:45 right here. Bring it over 11:45 where that pivot is. This would have been such a good long. I don't know why I didn't do it. I think it's because I looked at my P&L. Oh, now just triggered long too. I'm not doing anything, but gosh, that's cool.
I'm gonna try it.
All right. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
All right, take care.
All right,
Take care.
yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
You're doing the now?
Yeah, I'm coming now, see what happened.
Yeah, it's not bad. The pattern's great because it did the level 1, then it went sideways, and now it's doing a level 2 or 3.
Yeah.
So it's like a really nice secondary entry there, and
here's this stock KVUE. Check it out.
Okay, KUVE.
No, KVUE.
Okay, KVUE.
Yeah.
KVUE. Los Angeles. Oh, nice. Wow.
So I jump in at level 2, right? It start up.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, and then at that 5 minute level 1.
Yeah, you got out?
I took a partial.
Nice.
Unfortunately, I took a small partial. And I just let this thing go down. I'm like, okay, maybe it's gonna bounce at the 8.
Oh my god, no.
Yeah. So I think maybe it's gonna bounce the 8. So and I'm gonna add.
Yeah.
And then I just keep going stuff through, and then like I cannot break even.
Okay, that's not bad. I think if it takes out the wide range bar, I think that would have been the place to get out for sure. Everything.
Yeah, that's.
And you notice how the wide range bar put the end to the move.
Yeah, unfortunately, I still take a pause for a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Pay attention to wide range bars, inside bars, which is what you have here. So wide range bar and an inside bar.
So that's the thing, like, sometimes I feel like I'm holding on to trade. In fact, I'm holding to losing trade like this very well, unfortunately. Whereas yesterday, like, my winning trade, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna miss out on all the moves.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it is, I guess.
DVS looks good.
Yeah.
CVS like going long?
Huh?
You say CVS?
Yeah, I have to wait for this candle.
Wait, are you in it?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Because they're hugging all the moving averages, I don't like it. I was seeing a candle above.
How's the struggling trader guy going?
I didn't see him knock on, so I don't know.
Okay. I saw that he's using Webull right now to
oh yeah, he's
yesterday to kind of paper trade, which I think is great. I think it's good that he's kind of put himself in trade arena, you know?
Yeah.
Because You know, if you're losing 7 hours every day, like there's people think it's all psychology with trading, but I don't think it's all psychology. I think if you don't have a strategy that's making you money consistently, then you can never. It's not about holding to target, and it's not about this. It's about you're never going to be able to do it if you don't have a good strategy in the first place.
Yeah.
You know, you got to get that figured out.
Mm-hmm.
Like, why is all his trades red? And if he finds out, oh, it's because of this and that, then he can finally remedy those things. And then the psychology of like trying to hold the winner longer and everything becomes the secondary thing to work on. But like people will say like, oh, I got to work on my psychology, and this and that. And I'm like, but do you have a good trading strategy in the first place? And you'll see that they don't even have a strategy.
Yeah.
They just like go in on a whim, but they think that it's all their psychology that's holding back. Like, no way, man. You know. Anyway, that's why I got all those awards.
I know.
Hey, buddy. Okay, pee-pee. You need to go pee-pee, bud? You need to go pee-pee? Yeah. Okay, sweetie. Come on, let's go pee-pee.
Was he good with the vet yesterday?
Yeah, he did really good. They put 10 staples in his head where he got his wart removed, and they got rid of some
wart.
He had a wart on his head. Yeah, and it wasn't going away.
How did he get it?
I don't know. But it wouldn't go away, and I was thinking about just doing it naturally with like certain creams and stuff, but because the location where it's at, he just kept itching it.
Oh.
And irritating it. So it was like, okay, well, go pee-pee, Theon. Come on. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee, big boy, and then you get your coat.
Okay. CBS.
You do pee-pee time? You gonna go pee-pee? Okay. He's acting like he's a drug addict right now, though. He's out of it from all the medication that they gave him, And he's got a cone over his head, and he's not happy with that part of the cone. It's like, oh god, what is this thing? Options. Let's see. But.
Oh, the GIS bounce. Look at that candle.
Cisco some bounce right here. Like, why didn't I get in that one?
I don't like CBS. It's kind of choppy in 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's fighting right now.
Yeah, CNC is better. Right?
Probably, yeah. Hi. Hi, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I gotta trim the bougainvilleas today. Jeez, these things are growing huge.
We found a really good groomer nearby.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it makes our puppy look so pretty.
Aww. Okay, buddy. Here, go on this side. There you go. Hi, yeah. Hi, handsome. Good morning. You want to move this over underneath the piano? No? Okay. All right, guys. Well, have a wonderful day. Be safe. Don't go crazy. And
yeah.
How's everything going?
Still not any better. Still digging myself deeper. Like.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm like, yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it a day. Once this thing like stop me out.
Maybe other setups you do instead of doing like full R right away, go in like quarter of an hour or a half an hour or something.
Yeah, I guess I'm just in not optimized setup, and when it's not working, I just like admit to it, But
well, I will say, yeah, definitely probably a good idea to go over the trades later because when you jumped in the Cisco law, that was great. I did the same thing with you, but then you did a ad to it, and I didn't do the ad.
Yeah.
And I looked at the ad and I was like, well, you're adding over a green bar. You're not adding over like an actual legit, red bar. So
Yeah.
So I mean that's going to ruin your cost average. And if it comes back to your entry, now it's not as good. So like think about, I guess, like if you're gonna add, you want to see the opposite side come in and fail, but not just add because the side that you're on is making progress higher, because then I guess every strategy is different. You can have a strategy where you add on every single green bar, but I think it definitely makes it harder.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys. Oh,
Alright,
my
guys.
CBS working.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Let me shoot CVS. CVS. Was it at
It's
the VWAP?
choppy, but it's working.
The daily looks good.
Mm-hmm.
I like that it tried to go down to the VWAP and then kind of gave you a level 1 and then went slightly underneath the VWAP again and hit the 20, but couldn't break, and now it's creating that like sideways channel kind of thing right here. This might break a level 2. I think if I was still trading, I would take it here with my stop all the way down underneath the pivot at 59.28.
Yep.
And I would probably go in with a half or a quarter of a risk first right here. And then if I get a red bar or something that like give me some consolidation, then I'd add a little bit more to and then my target's going to be 60.04, that top of that pivot.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. I wonder what the 15-minute looks like. I bet it's just a single level 1. Yeah, okay. That's not bad. Look at the 15-minute. That's pretty cool.
Also, nice. The hourly looks pretty good above the VWAP.
Yeah. Yeah, hourly looks good.
MOH could be another long.
Oh, yeah, MOH. Too late, isn't it?
Not
quite. That MOH, I think, is going to go crazy climactic. I think it's heading towards the 200 period moving average at $355, believe it or not. I think that TA, if you do go in this though over the high of day at 300 whatever it is, give yourself that stop loss underneath the pivot, or else you're gonna get screwed.
Look at CNC. Remember I mentioned earlier.
CNC. Oh, also what you could do on MOH. Yeah, CNC is good. Very nice.
It's triggering me in for COH.
Wow.
MOH. Yeah.
A COH or MOH?
Yeah,
I have to learn from you. Great.
Yeah, just go with the trend. But I don't know if it's gonna keep going or not though.
Well, volume's dropping on that breakout, which is, you want to see volume, expand for a candle that's making a new high. But, you got, if you put your stop loss where it's supposed to be, you can always manage in between the trade too.
Yeah. Or you can do a double top and then take me out,
No, I think you're good. Oh, dang. Look at that.
Nice.
Woo.
All right. Go in another 1,000 shares.
Yeah. Honestly, look how close it is to the 200 TA.
Yeah.
I think that's the target. It's trying to get to the 200.
Yeah.
It's crazy to think that like you could look at something and say it's so close to this. Why would it stop now? It's so close to the 200. I think it's trying to get there today in one day. It's just how do you hold on to it,
Yeah.
I would go ahead now with that wide range bar that you just got. And instead of moving your stop loss underneath the pivot, I would put it underneath that wide range bar. Don't let it take out the wide range bar. If it takes out the wide range bar, the move is probably done for the day.
Okay. 4 is at the VWAP, near the VWAP, and at the 20 moving average. I don't know if I want to take that short or not.
It looks good, but I would give it wait for a secondary entry.
Yeah, because above the 8, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, above the 8, and you've got the prior pivot at 11:46. I could see it doing like remember how we talked about, you ask yourself what stage is the stock in? Like, is it in a stage 1 uptrend, stage 2 sideways, stage 3 downtrend, or stage 4 or whatever it is? I forget the stages. I think this stage is maybe the one that's setting up to be the stage 3 before it goes back into the downtrend. So because of that, I think it's going to be choppy. Let me see where. Yeah, I guess you could scalp it, but yeah, I think you're better just letting it chop around for a while. Especially, also keep in mind you got that meeting happening now, the Fed thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys these pictures. Hold on, let me. Let's see here.
I'm out severe break even.
Nice.
I don't want to hold.
Yeah, that's a good idea, especially with this whole meeting happening.
Yeah, it's not bad with that doji forming. Of course, a white solid bar always put in a 180 like that.
Yeah.
But now it's working.
Yeah, now it's great. You guys want to see something super cool?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna send you a video. This is where I did my hike with my mom. This is Big Pine Lakes, about 4 hours north of where I live in Van Nuys.
Mm-hmm.
This is Lake 2. We hiked all the way to Lake 2. It's about I don't know, I think it's 16 mile hike. So it's definitely intense. Why is it taking so long? Okay.
Oh, freaking hell. I'm out of now. Oh, MOH.
Look at GIS. Insane. Oh my god, your doggy is so cute.
Yeah, he loves the swimming.
Oh, I love his color.
Yeah, he's a sweetheart. He really is.
Oh, he's squeezable.
Yeah.
So cute.
Wow, that's a nice lake.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And the snow up in the hills is like, oh, during certain times of the year.
Is it close to your house, Jason?
It's a 4-hour drive.
Oh.
Up towards like if you're going to Mammoth Mountain.
Oh,
But it's before Mammoth, there's a town called Bishop, and I guess it's about a 45-minute. It's about an hour and a half, or maybe 2 hours away from Mammoth Lakes. So you're closer to LA than Mammoth. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's in a town called Big Pines, and there's like 7 lakes up there that are like just gorgeous. But the hiking is tough.
And your doggy can hike?
Yeah, he did like 16 miles.
Wow.
Yeah, he's really, I mean, he's 9 years old, and
wow.
He acts like he's still like got so much energy, and he loves to swim. I mean, that's like
so cute.
Yeah.
Look at that. He's so cautious.
I know. Yeah.
Smart. So smart.
Yeah, he's very smart because, normally when he goes swimming, he wants to be able to see the ground and like figure out where to get in and out. But I guess because I was in, he trusts me. He's like, okay, Daddy's gonna pull him out of the water if he can't figure out how to get out.
At first, I was like, "What's that dog back there?"
Yeah. It was cool. It's a really beautiful hike.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome.
Wow.
And he's just a good boy.
We love our puppy so much, and cause like we are so anxious taking her to walk because so many coyotes around.
Oh, where you have a lot of coyotes where you're at?
Yeah, I live in Temple City, right?
Oh yeah.
And the Temple City is like nearby Foothills and Pasadena. There's so many coyotes wandering around the city. Okay, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, because you have some beautiful hikes over there too. Oh yeah, Monrovia. Yeah. And then we have where was that? Altadena. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, a lot. Beautiful. Yeah. Have you been Mount Wilson? Have I been what? I'm sorry? The mountain, at the trail called Mount Wilson. Oh, Mount Wilson. I think I have. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very, very nice trail. Yeah. Yeah, it is nice. There's a lot of good ones up there. There's that, because it's all, closer to, I guess you get, in the winter, you get all that rain and it, creates all the waterfalls as well. Mm-hmm. I really like, there's one, I think, up there called Switzer Falls. Oh. That I'll go to, and you can hike all the way to the waterfall and then go swimming in the waterfall. But it's not a lake like, that lake, but it's, it's nice. It's nice for LA, for sure, Mm-hmm. But, yeah. Well, how's that MOH doing?
I did a special sauce, so I made back off that loss.
Oh my god, nice. Look at now, NOW.
I know, I still don't know. I'm still in that thing.
Now, NOW. Oh yeah, nice.
I know.
That's beautiful. I love that.
The market is going up, so that helps. It's MOH though. I'm not sure. Keep going.
Oh, look at Ford. So Ford's putting in some range now.
Yeah.
So you got the low of the range and the high of the range, and you see us trying to break the VWAP. I wonder if it'll turn into an uptrend, or if it'll just hold underneath the VWAP and eventually fall and go back down to the low of day. All right, well, we'll talk to you guys later. We talk tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Take care. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
maybe I should have been a little more aggressive with taking profits, and it's already above,